So one of the things that you can do inside a VLC Media Player is go ahead and apply video filters as well. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and load up this video, let's say for example, right here. And to apply video filters to it, all you need to do is go ahead over here onto the Tools menu and then go to Effects and Filters. So once you go ahead right here, what you can actually do is go ahead over here onto Video Effects. And here you can see that there's different tools that you can actually go ahead and enable. For example, over here in Essentials, you can change around the hue, you can change around the brightness, you can even go ahead and make it sharp or more blunt, you can change around the banding removal as well, and even go ahead and add in film grains. Change around the contrast, the saturation, and gamma as you can see right here. So these are the essential video effects as you can see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead right here. There's the cropping options right here. There's the color option over here as well, which allows you to go ahead and extract out colors right here, enable negative colors, posterize, add in gradients, and make it sepia as well. Apart from that, you can see that there's overlay and advanced as well, like there's denoisers that you can go ahead and turn on. You can go ahead and turn on anaglyph, mirror it out, and you can see that there's different effects as you can go ahead and apply as well. Even go ahead right here, utilize clone option as well, use spatial blur, motion blur as well. So now over here you can see that this is the video you have, and then you can enable anti-flickering as well, just like this. Add in like let's say spatial blur right here as well, just like this, and so forth. So you can go ahead and try different effects as you want right here, just like this, and work around with the video filters as necessary. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.